Welcome back to Chef Super Chido. As you can tell by the title, Al Pastor Smash Burgers. Never tried it, but today's the first, and if it doesn't come out like I planned, I ain't even putting this video up. So watch and learn, and don't get burned. For the Al Pastor sauce, we're gonna need 1 cup of orange juice, 1/3 cup of chipotle sauce, half onion, 4 guajillos, 2 chiles de pasilla, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, half teaspoon of comino, 1 tablespoon of oregano, 2 ounces of white vinegar, and 8 ounces of canned pineapple. For our chiles, guajillos, and pasilla, we wanna cut these open and make sure we get all the seeds out and as clean as we can leave them. Now let's put our guajillos and chiles de pasilla to boil. Once the water starts boiling, after about 4 minutes of boiling, take them out. This looks about done. Now it's time to blend. Let's put all our ingredients in here and make it happen. Now it's time to strain the sauce. Whether you can use a spoon or a spatula, but make sure you strain this very, very thin. We're gonna crack 1 egg into our meat and blend all this in together. Now we're gonna put the Al Pastor in. This, we're gonna wanna mix all of it in, make sure we get all of it through the meat. We don't have to marinate. We're just gonna blend all of this together and put it right on the grill. Now let's make our burger patties. We don't wanna make these too big. Make sure to use wax paper when you smash these down. Add a little bit of Flavor God Everything seasoning, just on one side though. Now when you want to flip them over, you want to use a spatula, a steel one, a scraper. Since they're thin, as soon as we flip them over, you don't want to let them sit too long, so start adding the cheese. Once the cheese is almost melted, take it out and put it on your bun.
I like it a lot.
Now we're back. So obviously it's a hit. I just got word that it tastes good. I have a lot of Al Pastor videos that I want to share with you, but not just quite. So we'll just settle for this one. So let's try it. Holy shit. It's like a taco in your mouth. It's like a taco burger. Well, I really encourage you guys to make this. It did come out better than I planned, so watch and learn and don't get burned.